And this month we're going to be discussing apples to apples. My name is Jeff Turnbull, and that's Jeff with a G. And this afternoon's webinar is going to be presented by the two of us, two Jeffs. But so as not to confuse you, there's a Jeff with a G and a Jeff with a J. Webinar is going to be presented in two parts. The first part is going to detail the challenges that make selecting the right informatics solution difficult. And the second part will present a high-level 5-step process to help level the playing field when selecting the right informatics solution. So without further ado, I'm going to pass it over to Jeff with a J to start the webinar off.
Great, thank you, Jeff. So we're going to navigate through the first couple of slides. And here's just a brief outline. As Jeff said, I'm going to concentrate mostly on the challenges that many of our customers here at CSols have faced when considering the selection of an informatics solution. Then I will turn over the webinar back to Jeff with a G, who will then go deeper into the strategies and concepts that we here at CSols use to help our customers actually level the playing field and actually compare apples to apples when looking at these informatics solutions. So we'll start with defining what laboratory informatics is. Basically, it is the umbrella that's meant to encompass whatever informatics solutions that you're utilizing in the laboratory environment. In today's webinar, we'll focus on a few of these solutions that represent the center of laboratory operations, namely LIMS, ELN, scientific data management systems, chromatography data systems, and the quality modules of the various MRP systems. But the concepts, while this is not an all-inclusive list, these concepts and strategies can be shared by virtually any informatics solution. So as a first step, you need to consider the reasons that your organization is willing to make an investment in these technologies. Chances are that they are absolutely related to lean principles, utilization of data for better business intelligence, and or improving compliance. At the same time, you're going to want to make sure that that right solution will offer your organization a true return on investment and provide a predictable total cost of ownership over the solution's lifetime. So now I'm going to focus on some observations we've had in the industry. From working with our customers, we found that laboratory business processes are seldom well-defined, documented, or harmonized prior to an informatics implementation.